Assalamualaikum class. It's time for a science period. Open your science book, page number 28. Today we will study about food and diet. Do you know what is food and what is diet?
We all eat food to live. However, we must be careful in what we eat because not all food items are healthy. Look at this food pyramid. It shows what is healthy for us and what may not be healthy. To know more about each type of food, click one of the buttons. These food items are not very good for your body. These food items contain a lot of fat and sugar. If we eat these food items regularly, they can be harmful for our body. Roll the mouse over the food items to know what they are. These foods are important too. They should be included in some of our meals. These food items are bodybuilding food. They help you to grow and build your muscles. They make your bones and teeth strong. Roll the mouse over the food items to know what they are. These food items are most important for our body. They contain vitamins and nutrients which give us energy. They should be included in most of your meals. Roll the mouse over the food items to know what they are.